Hello, little explorer. Welcome back to our fun ABC journey. Today, we're going to learn about some amazing animals from P to T. Are you ready? Let's get started. P. Can you guess what animal starts with the letter P? This animal waddles on ice and is black and white. Any ideas? That's right! P for penguin. Penguins have special feathers that keep them warm in cold places. Did you know that penguins can't fly, but they're excellent swimmers? Now, please read after me.
P for penguin. P for penguin. Penguins waddle on ice and are black and white. Penguins waddle on ice and are black and white.
Q. Now, let's learn about the animal that starts with the letter Q. This animal always looks happy and smiles. Do you know which one it is? Yes, Q for quokka. Quokkas are known as the happiest animals on Earth because they're always smiling. These little creatures with pouches are found in Australia. Now, please read after me.
Q for quokka. Q for quokka. Quokkas always look happy and smile. Quokkas always look happy and smile.
R. Next, let's find out about the animal that starts with the letter R. This animal has long ears and likes to hop around. Can you guess? That's right! R for rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and hop around, just like the ones we see in storybooks. Rabbits are fluffy and love to munch on carrots. Now, please read after me.
R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and hop around. Rabbits have long ears and hop around.
S. Now, onto the animal that starts with the letter S. This animal is a good swimmer and loves to splash in the water. What could it be? That's right, S for seal. Seals have fur and a layer of body fat to keep them warm. They also have sleek bodies and can dive deep underwater. Now, please read after me.
S for seal. S for seal. Seals are good swimmers and like to splash in the water. Seals are good swimmers and like to splash in the water.
T. Lastly, let's learn about the animal that starts with the letter T. This animal has pretty stripes and is very strong. Can you guess? That's right! It's T for tiger. Tigers are big cats that live in forests and grasslands. They love to take naps in the sun. Now, please read after me.
T for tiger. T for tiger. Tigers have pretty stripes and are very strong. Tigers have pretty stripes and are very strong.
Wow, you're all doing so well! Now, it's quiz time! I'll describe an animal and you shout out who it is. Ready? Let's go! This animal waddles on ice and is black and white. Who is it? Yes! It's a penguin! Great job!
P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin.
Next, which animal is a good swimmer and loves to splash in the water? Correct! It's a seal! Amazing!
S-E-A-L, seal.
What about the animal with long ears that likes to hop around? Yes! It's a rabbit! Fantastic!
R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit.
Now, which animal always looks happy and smiles? That's right! It's a quokka! Well done!
Q-U-O-K-K-A, quokka.
And finally, which animal has pretty stripes and is very strong? Absolutely! It's a tiger! Incredible job, little explorers!
T-I-G-E-R, tiger.
Well done, explorer! You've learned so much about these amazing animals today. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Remember, there's always more to explore and learn. Keep being curious, and I'll see you on our next adventure.